In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change email on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, tap at these three lines, then get into settings and privacy, and then tap at accounts center. After that, scroll down a bit and tap at personal details. That's where you can easily find the contact info. If we tap on it, it will show us all our emails and phone numbers associated with our Meta account center. If we want to change our main email, we can first off add a new one. To do that, tap at that button, then select add email, and then just enter email address right here. Then choose account for that email. Just select your Instagram account, just like that, and then tap at next. After you entered email password, the email will be added to that list, and after that you can easily remove old one. So you can just tap at the email and then tap at delete and delete again. Then enter your password and tap at continue. That's how you can easily change email on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.